Let's talk about 3 things that you need to know about your divorce. I'm Steve Kramer, the Kramer Law Firm. I am a family and divorce attorney here in Florida. The first thing that you should keep in mind is that if drugs or alcohol are an issue, go ahead and do the testing. That way, if it becomes an issue later on and you're accused of using drugs or alcohol, you can immediately refute that allegation, and also you can attack the credibility of your spouse who's making that false accusation. Another issue we need to look at is time sharing. If you have an agreement with your spouse to share time with your child a certain way, meaning your spouse is supposed to pick up the children on Friday at 6 p.m. and you're having problems with that, for example, maybe your spouse is showing up late or not showing up at all, or maybe your spouse is supposed to have the kids 7 days and you're supposed to have them 7, whatever. If you're having issues with time sharing, there's a really good tool that you can use to document this and use in your case, and that's called a journal. That's journaling what's going on, keeping a record of everything that happens. And this goes for anything that you think is an issue in your case. Write it down, keep a log of it. If it helps you, grab a calendar. Mark down the days when your spouse exercised visitation and contact with that child. Mark down the days that they didn't do it. Keep track of it, because we can use that in your case, and that really grabs the judge's attention and shows them that you mean business and supports your case. And the third thing that you want to look at is if there's any accusation, or if you believe your spouse is hiding cash or having an affair, then we need to talk about a private investigator, because these are professionals that make a living out of finding these hidden assets and out of finding out about these affairs. And there's a lot of different tools that you may or may not have ever heard of that they can use to find this information. And this can be huge. This could be really valuable. This stuff comes up a lot in divorce. So, why am I telling you this? Because if you're dealing with a divorce, these are issues that are likely to come up. And if they do, you need to handle them the right way. And that's what we're here to do. We deal with this all the time. So if you need to, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about your case, give you any advice I can. I appreciate you watching. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, go ahead and click the like button right below. That way you can share this information with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer, the Kramer Law Firm.